Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in.
Good morning, happy homemakers. Today I am making a bunch of I'm going to pre-cook a bunch of meals and for this week, so that way it's our first week back at school and I just want to make sure that we have good sustainable meals. So the first meal I made this morning was kielbasa and potatoes, sausage and potatoes, and then I also made a breakfast casserole, so I'm excited about that. I'm planning on browning a bunch of like ground beef or ground turkey. I want to make some taco meat, and then I'm also going to do like some meat and rice, like that kind of stuff, and I'm just going to put it all in freezer bags and freeze it, and then just pull it out every morning when it's time to make it. Today's meal actually isn't one I'm making today, or I am making it today, but I won't pre-make it. It is gonna be chicken and dumplings, but chicken and dumplings you have to make like right as you're making it. So anyway, I'm going to make my iced coffee and then we will continue making meals. Don't forget to comment and like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. I really like it when you guys comment. It helps me connect with you better, so please make sure to do that.
You don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? should take it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.
Okay, so I made a dirty rice with yeah, Journey's telling you I made coffee. She says for us, I made it for me, but I made a dirty rice with ground turkey, rice, and peas, and then a bunch of seasonings and stuff in it. And then I made taco meat, and then again I have these two things in the oven. They're all gonna have to cool down before I'm able to put them in freezer bags. So I'm gonna get all that out and ready, and then get moving. I did make a laundry soap this morning too, but I didn't film it because I was trying to do too many things at once. Sorry, it's so dark. There we go. And yeah, so I'm gonna get my Ziploc press bag thing so I can put all of the stuff in that after everything is done cooling. Now my kitchen is a disaster, but I'm going to just give it some time and I will clean this later. Just wanted to let you guys know that I have changed my upload schedule to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'm really excited about it. I've been super motivated lately to get a lot of stuff done, and I am so excited to have you guys be along on this adventure with me.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested.
Okay, so I'm almost finished with the laundry. I just put 2 of the meals in bags. I still have the others baking, but it shouldn't be much longer. The breakfast casserole I'm gonna keep in that tin, and then the kielbasa and potatoes I'm going to put in a bag. And then I'm going to make a different casserole in the other tin. Anyway, here's my breakfast casserole. It looks pretty delicious. But I just did some laundry, and after I pull the kielbasa and potatoes out, I'm going to clean up the kitchen because it needs it bad.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away.
Make sure to comment down below and let me know what kind of content you guys would like to see
So
from
I
me.
can't sleep.
Also, don't forget to subscribe. I know I've already said that, but I really like it when you guys subscribe, and it helps me so much.
'Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Okay, why don't you all give me a big thumbs up for my pug Nala always being in the background of my videos. She loves being around me, and I love having her around me, and she is the reason why I have to clean so much, so big thumbs up.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Okay, so my 3-year-old wanted to say something here on the voiceover, so here she is.
Happy Homemakers.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
you from across the room.
I have a plan to have a big cleaning video coming out. It will be a deep cleaning video where I will do the baseboards, the doors, the walls, the door handles, everything that I don't do on a regular basis. So be on the lookout for that, and don't forget to subscribe to see that, because if you don't, you may not see it.
Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you.
Okay, so we got another shipment of the stuff I got from Christmas. So I got this rug. Like this. There's the rug. So then we put the rug that was there in here. And then I got these new white pillowcases.
No, you.